Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change timeline size in CapCut. So here you are going to have multiple possibilities. So you can either change the timeline size by using this scale here and just making it bigger and smaller, and as you can see now I can work with really small pieces of the video, so it's more precise if I want to cut out smaller parts of the video. And you can also make it smaller, then you will be able to see the whole video. So another way you can change that is just use the control on the keyboard and use the scrolling wheel on your mouse. It's a much faster way to adjust the size of the timeline. Alright, so all in all, this is how to change timeline size in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.